जय जगन्नाथ समस्त गुड मॉर्निंग पिला माने एबे भी कंफ्यूजन रहउछथि ए देखिदबा ए vehicle without body is called एटा आंसर हबो चेचिस net value of GDP after deducting depreciation from GDP GDP रू depreciation ना माइनस करले आंसर कोन हबो देयर आंसर होछि net domestic product full form of BRO border road organization तबे देखिबा कुचिपुड़ी जे डांस फॉर्म ऑफ आंसर हबो आंध्र प्रदेश which viceroy formulated the doctrine of lapse राजसूतल नीति आंसर होछि लॉर्ड डेलहाउसी which planet in the solar system is considered as Earth's twin पृथ्वी रो जाना भाई ठीक अछि होछि आंसर वेनस शुक्र ग्रह full form of PUCC pollution under control certificate section 129 of MPI Act 1988 tells us answer of helmet should be worn माने हेलमेट पिंथि की गाड़ी चले जाउछे सेक्शन 129 भारतर फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट आंसर होछि आर्यभट्ट full form of EBD electronic brake force distribution what is the need of gearbox eta hoji answer torque to vary the torque of the vehicle an automobile chassis does not include which of the following parts se koche automobile chassis re ko part ta nthai answer hoji differential ta hoji part of transmission system what is the function of fuse box in an automobile electrical system se kochi fuse box ro काम कोन आंसर होछि to protect the electrical system what the main purpose of automobile battery रो मुख्य काम होछि to start the engine check engine light जोड़िले हमें कोन जानिबा आंसर होछि possible engine issue or emission problem which of the following maintenance tasks is crucial before a long trip a long trip jiba purvuru kon सब देखिना उचित check the fluid level tire pressure and brakes what is the function of alternator to charge the battery and power electrical systems instrument used to measure specific gravity of battery electrolyte से कुछ बैटरी पानी रो स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी मापिया को जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट व्यवहार हुए ताको कोन कहंती आंसर हबो हाइड्रोमीटर in what situation should you use horn to alert your presence why loose filter cap on your fuel tank dangerous answer hoji it could leak fuel making the road slippery an area not covered by your mirrors is called blind spots where clutch is located between transmission and engine expand the term MIL malfunction indicator lamp an instrument used to measure RPM answer hoche tachometer speed मापिया पे speedometer distance मापिया पे odometer piston rings are made of answer hoche piston ring ta cast iron theory engine pistons are usually made of aluminum alloy से कहूचे इंजन पिस्टन डा aluminum alloy रे दिया हिता है कारण सेटा हल्का इज लाइटर what is tailgating driving too close behind another vehicle.